this time, earphones are not used for listening to music. It's also used as a fashion. Right now, a lot of earphones in the market in different price range. In this video, we find out a qualityful earphone in a cheap price range. Anyway, before we start this video, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. And if you already do this, thank you so much. I am Miyat and you are watching Miyat's Tech. In this video, I talk about QCY M1C Bluetooth earphone. Last 5 days, I am using this earphone. So in this video, I share my some good or some bad experience with this earphone. So please keep watching this one. First of all, we see what is inside the box. Build quality. Speaking of build quality, this is not an advantage. This is general level. Really, it can be a little bit stronger, which you deserve in this price range. The buttons on it look like really cheap. I was expecting a bit more its build quality. However, the next stop is to see how it performs, and it's the sound quality. When I talk about the sound quality, I'm telling the truth. Literally, this is the best in this price range. But sometimes I feel its bass little bit low, but it's not a big problem when you look at this price range. Specs and features. It has a Bluetooth 5.0 that brings more HD wireless experience. Music times 8 hours, battery capacity 90 mAh, but my uses I got battery backup like 6 or 7 hours. And this is another drawback. I expect to be more than it. Charging time 2 hours and it's okay. I wanted to say, if your budget is more than $15, no problem, you can buy it. This video is sponsored by Borishal e-Store. Thanks for providing this one. If you want to buy any kinds of tech products, you can go their Facebook group. I will give their Facebook group link in the description box. Okay, thanks for watching and stay Miyat's Tech, my friends.